Happy 2026. How exciting. We are finally in a new year, and I have a good feeling that 2026 is going to be a great one for a lot of people. So the first thing that I'm doing for the new year, of course, is washing our bedding. How often do you guys wash your bedding? I typically wash ours like once a week. I just think that there's nothing better than fresh bedding. I love it so much. And I always love putting a little bit of bleach in, obviously with just our white sheets and our white comforter, just to make it smell extra good and just brighten it up. And you guys know vacuuming is my favorite thing to do. I feel like I'm constantly vacuuming, but I don't mind it. I love it. I think it's so satisfying. And we have 4 people in our house, and we all have a lot of hair, let me just say. And so there is just hair constantly around the house. So I feel like I do have to vacuum a lot, but I don't have a problem with it because I just love it so much. And having a good vacuum is key to truly enjoying the process. So get yourself a good vacuum. I promise it is really worth it to just spend the extra money for that. It's an investment, but it's one that will last a long time. So it will be worth it. You guys know I just recently got this new vacuum. I'll have it linked below. I do really like it so far. And just a little quick sneak peek, look at this bathroom. I recently redid our girls' bathroom, and I can't wait to do a whole reveal for you guys. It turned out so beautiful. I'm actually still putting on like the final touches, but I can't wait to film that video and show you guys because it's so pretty. It's the perfect like little girl's bathroom. And here I am in my oldest room. Her bed's not made, of course, but as long as all of the toys are picked up, that's all that I care about. All of her new toys, she kind of, well, not all of them, but most of them, she just kind of shoved under her bed. They are nice and organized, but we need to find a new spot for them. And here I am just switching out the laundry, putting in our comforter, which is always just quite the task, getting our huge comforter into our washing machine. Do you have that problem? I don't know. I guess it's probably just, maybe we just need to get like a better, bigger washing machine or one with a bigger opening or something, because it's, like I said, it's just such a task getting it into the actual washing machine. And then just vacuuming my youngest daughter's bedroom. Her room is pretty much always picked up, so it doesn't take too long to vacuum. And then next, of course, is vacuuming the stairs. I love having our stairs vacuumed. I don't do it every single time I vacuum our house, but I try to, but sometimes it's like I just need to quickly vacuum like the downstairs or the upstairs, and sometimes I just don't have time for the actual stairs. And so when I do, it's always nice and everybody notices. Like my husband's always like, oh, you vacuum the stairs. Like vacuuming your stairs, it just makes such a difference. And using that little like extension, like accessory brush on the side of your vacuum, it just makes the stairs look nice and fluffy, and it's just so good. And then finally, the bedding is done. I love it. It's bright, it's white, it's clean, it smells so good. Like I said before, there's just nothing better than, like, at the end of the day, jumping into a freshly made and freshly clean bed. Nothing better. And then of course, I will be showing you guys my little pillow trick for the pillowcases. Remember, just kind of tuck in the excess pillowcase, and it just makes it nice and tight and clean and nice looking. And then of course, when I'm doing like a quick clean, I always clean our toilets. I just put the solution in, wait 10 minutes, go clean something else, and then I'll come back later and scrub it. But it just makes the house smell so good, just putting in that like the bleach cleaner in the toilet. Like, I swear, just doing that alone, like, your house smells so fresh and clean, and it's so good. And then, of course, vacuuming the main floor. Can you see all of the many toys that we have? I had to pick them all up and put them on the couch because after Christmas, the toys are just everywhere. There are toys galore in our house, which we love, because I'd obviously rather have my kids be playing with their toys than watching TV, of course, but my brain can't handle the clutter. So I did come up with a solution. I will show you guys in a video very soon once it gets here, but I was able to find on Amazon actually like a cute, really cute, nice cabinet that has some storage in it, but I can also put my record player on it, maybe some nice decor pieces that I haven't been able to display because we don't really have a whole lot of room in the house. So I'm really excited to show that. And like I said, then we'll have some toy storage, so it'll be really nice. I got a fun color. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that video. And then of course, just going in and cleaning the kitchen surfaces before I actually go in and vacuum, just to get all of the crumbs off and onto the floor. That way I can vacuum them. How many times a day do you guys clean your kitchen countertops? Because for me, I feel like it is all of the time, at least twice, I swear, every single day. And sometimes even when I'm cleaning, I notice that there's like sometimes food that gets like up on our backsplash, so I always wipe that down as well. And of course the faucet always gets fingerprints on it and food. Don't forget to clean that, because I feel like when people come over and they use your sink to like wash their hands, they will notice. And then just putting all of the many cups away in our dishwasher. And then going through and doing a final vacuum in our kitchen. I just love vacuuming. I think it's so satisfying to get all of the crumbs off of the floor. Like, I'm just a stickler about crumbs. If I see one, I'm just like, oh, I gotta vacuum it up or sweep it up. But like I said, I really enjoy doing it, so it's okay with me. And I think part of the reason why I like vacuuming so much is because I'm constantly barefoot. I never have socks on unless I'm like going to work out. So I always just really feel the crumbs on my feet. So I feel like that's probably has a lot to do with why I can't stand crumbs, or why I'm like constantly vacuuming, because I just want it to feel clean when I'm walking around the house. I actually recently started putting out some spring decor, which probably sounds crazy because it's only January, but I'm so excited for spring, and really it's only like 2 months away. So that's super exciting. We just have to get through 2 months and then it will be spring, and that's one of my favorite times of the year. It's my birthday. Camping season starts soon. Shortly after that, it starts to just, everything blooms. It's beautiful. I can't wait for spring. And then these are actually, I don't know if I've ever showed these, but these are the stairs down to our basement. Rarely do these ever get vacuumed and cleaned. So I love it when I actually can find the time to vacuum these stairs as well as my basement, which I'll show you guys here in just a second. But you guys know I don't like showing our basement because it's unfinished. It's where we have all of our storage. Some of the girls' toys, because sometimes they come down and play, like when I'm working out. It's just a mess. We have like our extra additional camping stuff, but like, as you can see, we do keep it picked up for the most part, pretty organized. Some of our outdoor furniture is down there, the girls' soccer stuff. I don't love showing it, but it is what it is. I had to vacuum it because it hasn't been vacuumed in quite some time. And then of course the girls' gymnastics mat and their back bend roller thing. And finally, best part of the day, getting the comforter on the bed. Usually takes like 2 hours for it to fully dry. And whoops, I put it on the wrong way. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed these clean with me's. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.